Finally, we're going home, but we're going to the airport first, Sapporo, and then flying back from Sapporo to Haneda. Then tomorrow will be our flight home. Okay. So we are at Anna Crown Plaza, Sapporo. We really enjoy our stay here in Sapporo, Hokkaido. For sure, we will be back. Yes, winter time. Here at Anna Crown Plaza, Sapporo, for our way to the airport, Sapporo Airport, and we will be flying from the airport, Sapporo Airport to Haneda. Then tomorrow will be our flight back home to Haneda. We really enjoy our stay here in Sapporo, Hokkaido. Lots of places to go. We were able to go to Hotaru, to the Sapporo Beer Museum, Beer Garden, and then the Sapporo Clock Tower, the Sapporo Cable Tower, and the street shopping area where my wife enjoyed most, the fish market, and then where was the last time that we went? Yesterday. Okay. Oh, yeah, we went to Furano. Yeah, Furano, nice place. The lavender and the blue palm.
Yes.
Yeah, blue palm and the waterfall.
Yeah.
And then we even went to Beagle Terrace, where Prince Hotel is located, and there's a walkway. Really, definitely we will be back. We love Sapporo. Arigato gozaimasu. Okay, you say something. Oh yes, it's our pleasure. We really enjoy Sapporo. So my wife is with a beautiful Japanese lady from Hokkaido. We're very grateful of her because indeed she took us at the hotel and took video of us. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so take a picture of you. Okay.
Okay.
Hindi, kala ko nga kanina ang power. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Sapporo Airport o ang New Chitose Airport. Okay, makikita po natin napakarami pong pasahero considering that this is a domestic airport. Okay. Kahit saan may ice cream. Ayun si Madam. Ayan, si Madam. Nag-ice cream na naman. Ibang ice cream ba yan? Ang ganda doon sa loob, oh. Pati yung pinaka, ano nila, yung papuntang sa, yung escalator rin, napaganda. Domestic lang. Pero daming tao pag nandun ka. Malulula ka. Kaya kailangan mag-check-in tayo kasi mamaya baka masyado na maraming tao. Sige, pagkatapos mo yan. Pwede na. Maganda nga dito. Pwede ka na mag-check-in. Saka napakalaki. Yan, si Madam. So, it's good. Even though our flight is still in the evening, we can already check in at this time. We were told to go to gate number 5, 4, and that is where we will do the check-in for our baggages. Thank you! A tayo, so we will go to A and B, departure, A and B. Sila ganun, Hokkaido love. Hindi I love Hokkaido. Ito po ang kanilang domestic airport. Okay, let's go to our gate. Yokorano, Asakiwa, nakarating tayo dyan. Otaru. Yung Hakodate, kasi malayo pa yan eh. We're done with the check-in. Ano ka pa? Ano ba yan? SM? Where are you now? Hokkaido, Sapporo Airport. Okay. Hanap Festa. Maraming magbibili. Dahil medyo matagal-tagal pa tayo rito. More or less mga 6 na oras o 7 oras, marami pa po tayo magagawa. Marami tayo mapupunta. Ito po karami ang tao dito sa Sapporo, sa airport nila na domestic, kasi this is a tourist destination. Talagang dinadayo po ito lalo na po or during winter time. Ganda, oh. Mamaya ikutin po natin yan since we have ample time to do so. Tax free. Haba ng pila. Ito, nasa malam. Napakalaki ng airport na to. Napakaganda ng kanilang airport. And this is a domestic airport. Napakarami po mga souvenir item. At the same time, mga pasalubong at mga kanin. Parang yung binili namin sa mga pinuntahan namin naririto rin. Malaki, ano ba yun nandun? packing area sila. Kung kayo ay overweight, so meron po doon. Wakasai mo. Welcome to Hokkaido. Natikman po natin yung Hokkaido klase. Yan po pala ang pinaka first class na beer ng Hokkaido. Ng Sapporo beer. Yan po ang pinaka first class. High-end po. Kaya pala mahal siya. 600 plus ang binayaran ko sa isang parang sarap-sarap ng mga ramen. 3,000 only. Very cheap.
1,500.
So we're done with the check-in. And our flight will be later in the night, around 9 o'clock. And it's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we still have a lot of time. Restaurant sa taas. Okay.
Ba siya? Okay.
Yan. Welcome to Hokkaido. Tess Villamehor. August 20, 2024. Ayan, o. At welcome mo. Welcome to Hokkaido. Okay. Let's take a photo with the Coca-Cola Polar Bear. Ayan. Coca-Cola talaga sila, Tess. Okay. landing. Sky Museum. Airport history. Libre pala, free of charge. For children only.